Hiya, Daniel and John again. Welcome to one of our how-to videos, another one. And today we're going to be looking at making your windows look pretty, really. Like most people, you might have lockable window handles and the key's gone missing and they just look outdated. Excuse the window, it needs a bit of a clean, but
yeah, it does,
we're working our way through the house at the moment. So I've bought some of these nice Yale PVC window replacement locks. They are £7 each. And I bought them off Amazon.
They're in chrome, important.
Nice chrome. I've got one out of the packet here. They're for left or right windows, so it doesn't matter which side it goes on. This goes at the top. You see two little holes in it? That sits at the top when you do it. So how easy is it to change a window handle and just make your windows look pretty? On most locks I've got a little cover here of some description at the top. Sometimes it's a push-in one, sometimes it's like this. Yeah. What you want to do, put your handle in that position, and now you can see a screw at the bottom and a screw at the top. And what you need is a posi screwdriver. It's got a head like that.
Phillips head.
Phillips head.
They call them, sometimes people call them different things.
Yes, and literally, this is one of the quickest DIY jobs going, and will make the most impact to your windows if you're changing your blinds or you're moving to an old house and they just look grot. Basically, I reuse the screws that come out of the handle, so hang on to the screws, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Because the new screws supplied are a universal screw and you have to cut them down, and I know these fit and they're perfectly usable. I mean, it's not as though they get a lot, they've been screwed in once and that's all that's happened to these screws. So normally, so there's the screws out. There we go.
Okay.
And remember that goes at the top. This is the Yale one. So no matter what handle you're fitting, if it's a universal handle, the cover always sits at the top, and literally pop it in. Get the screws you took off.
Yeah, we do need to clean that bit there, don't we? Actually, with some white spirit. Oh, it's adhesive.
It's where we've had something on here.
Let's clean up with some adhesive.
Don't do it all the way up. So these are Yale Universal.
Probably takes like about a minute to change them over.
Yeah, and I think you'll agree, apart from the window needing a bit of a dust and polish up, stuff like that. Inside these Yale things, there's the two screws. If you want to use two new screws, you can. There's a key.
Oh, speaking of, so you were saying earlier about cutting them down.
Yeah.
As you see, they've got like flat bits, and if I can.
So they've got grooves, and then you'd cut it there or there. So you might as well just use the old screws. So it comes with a key. And the most two important bits. This bit here, and that goes. You see, there's two holes there. Let me put this little bit down a minute. That goes in there.
So those just push in, they're like little caps, aren't they? Yeah.
Now, it comes with a key, but it also comes with this.
Right.
When you buy your handle, it's in the unlock position. If you don't want to put keys in it, you just push that in that little black thing there.
Oh, okay. So you stop. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to use keys.
It's quite a good idea.
So just pop your key in. That's locked, so you can't undo it, even from the inside. Right. So I think you'll agree, it does improve the look of your windows, and really smartens them up for £7, and it will match your door handles and your sockets, etc. It literally is a very quick job, and you just need one of them and one of these. So if you've got a broken uPVC door handle, they all work the same, doesn't have to be Yale.
Oh, sorry, window handle, that's it, yeah.
Window handle, yeah.
Yeah.
One thing we didn't mention comes with a instruction thing there.
Just shows you what your tools you need and what to do and things.
It says it's got a 2-year guarantee somewhere. Push button operation with key. I'm sure it's a 2 years somewhere. 2-year guarantee. So that's what you need, basically what we're saying. Hacksaw if you're going to use the new bolts, but I suggest you don't. Just saves you loads of grief. Anyway, if that's helped you along to open your windows a lot more easily,
Or smarten them up.
or smarten them up and help you along a little bit, we would appreciate it if you'll help us along a bit and subscribe to our channel. Thanks very much for watching.